Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Basic Algebra Worksheet. So this video presents a single worksheet where we can practice writing expressions without using the multiplication or division sign. Now we've had a lesson on this very topic, and the lesson basically gave us an introduction to algebra where we explained what algebra entails, and we explained what these letters here stood for. In fact, they're called pronumerals, and they take the place of numerals, and they also follow the same rules. So if you're not sure what to do here, the next slide contains a link, and if you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson, and it will explain how to do all of these examples. So what we're doing here, we're rewriting, or we're being asked to rewrite the following expressions without using multiplication or division signs. So basically I'm going to highlight the multiplication signs. There they are there. So that's 5 times t. So we have to write this without showing that multiplication sign. Now remember, there is a lesson. So the next slide, click on the link if you're not sure what to do. Just to make it easy for you, I will just underline the multiplication signs. So they're not the letter X, they are just the multiplication signs. There's the multiplication sign there. There's another one. Now this was very interesting here where we had b times 6. There's a convention where we write that a special way. Even though the b is first and the 6 is second, when we write the answer, we write it in a special order, because that's just the convention. Here we have a multiplication sign there, and one here. There's one there, there. So I'm just doing that so you don't get these confused with X's. They are actually the multiplication signs. Here we have 3 more. Going over to here, we have the multiplication sign there. There's one here, there and there. That's a multiplication sign. We have 2 more here. There's one there and there. There's one here, there and there. That's a division sign there. And here we have a multiplication sign. So this video has asked us to write each of these expressions without showing the multiplication or division sign, and there's a lesson on this very topic where you can click on the link on the next slide and it will explain how to do all the examples, and you'll also get a basic introduction explaining what algebra involves.